Converting pounds to ounces is a very simple process. There are 16 ounces in a pound, so you can make the conversion by multiplying the number of pounds by 16. For instance, if you want to convert 10 pounds into ounces, multiply 10 by 16 to get 160 ounces. To convert ounces back into pounds, divide the result by 16. However, be careful, the term ounces can also be used for a variety of other kinds of measurements. For example, fluid ounces are used to measure volume, not weight. There is no simple method for converting pounds to fluid ounces, since two different substances can have the same volume, but different weights. If you're measuring the weight of a precious metal, such as silver or gold, you might also come across a non-standard type of ounces called troy ounces. A troy ounce is a little heavier than a standard ounce, so there are 14.6 of them in a pound instead of 16. To convert pounds to troy ounces, multiply the number of pounds by 14.6. If you're working with ounces and pounds per square or cubic inch, you can simply multiply by 16 as usual. Just don't forget to add per square inch or per cubic inch at the end of your conversion. For example, 27 pounds per cubic inch is equal to 27 times 16, or 432 ounces per cubic inch.